So we're going to look at the first two lines of After the Thaw, the Snowdrops, and this is the harp one part, and I'm just going to play you the first two lines and I'm going to count at the same time. Now this time signature of 6/8, although it's 6 quavers in a bar, it feels really different to 3/4 time, which is also 6 quavers in a bar. Because in 3/4 time, you're very much thinking 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Whereas in 6/8 time, the emphasis is totally different. It's more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you were going to count those individual quavers, the emphasis would be on the first quaver and on the fourth quaver. So in each bar, you've basically got a group of 3 quavers. So some of you like to count in terms of thinking elephant, 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 elephant. So you've got 1 elephant for each beat. Or you could count up to 6, as I just did. Another way of doing it is to think 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and okay? 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. So that's the first 2 lines. So I suggest that the first thing you want to do is just listen to that lots and then listen to it following the music as well and see if you can kind of follow it along, work out where you are in the music. The next thing, we're actually going to have a go at playing it. So in terms of the notes, we're putting second finger of the left hand on the E flat below middle C. So if you've got a 27 string harp, something like that, this is probably going to be your lowest E string, and it's an E flat because remember, we've got these levers down. So second finger on the E flat, miss a string, thumb on G. The right hand is doing that same chord up the octave. And then they're going to shift, after you've played those two, and it'll be left and then right, you're going to shift to the A flat and the C and the A flat and the C. So the right hand is always copying what the left hand is doing in this little bit, but the left hand's going to play first. And then after you've done that, you're going to do it again. So I'll play you the first line so you see what I mean. I'll show you again. In terms of the counting and what you want to be going on in your head, you definitely want to either be thinking in elephants or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or in 1 and 2 and. Don't accidentally start thinking of these as blues or as crotchets, because that will confuse you in terms of what comes later. Okay, so bar 5, we've got a root position shape in the left hand with G at the bottom, and then in the right hand, just tuck your third finger out the way, second finger goes on G, miss a string, and thumb on the B flat. And this is what we're going to do. Okay, so you play up the root position with the left hand, the right hand, play the second finger, pop it back on again, play the thumb, and just keep the thumb off, don't put it back on else you'll accidentally play it. And then we play the second finger again. So I'll show you again. So that's bar 5. Then bar 6, we've got root positions in both hands with A flat at the bottom. Okay, so you've got that normal root position shape. We're going to go up from the bottom. Okay, so bar 5 into bar 6 is this. And bar 7 and bar 8 are exactly the same as bar 5 and bar 6, but you play it quieter as an echo.